Hello friends, my name is Shantinath and today we will discuss about dead weight accumulator. So let us start with the definition, that is, a dead weight accumulator is a fluid pressure storage reservoir in which fluid is held under a pressure by an dead weight. So in simple words, an accumulator is used to store energy in the cylinder and releases that stored energy to the machine unit whenever the machine unit needed. So this is all about the definition. Now let us discuss about construction and working of dead weight accumulator. Okay, this figure shows the hydraulic dead weight accumulator in which it has a cylinder containing a sliding piston and a ram. A dead weight is placed on the ram. This dead weight may be concrete, iron, steel or any other heavy material can be used. Okay, it is placed above the ram. The inlet of the cylinder is connected to the pump which continuously supplies the fluid into the cylinder. Okay, the outlet of the cylinder is connected directly to do some useful work in the machine unit. At the beginning, the piston is at the lowermost position. So this is the lowermost position of the piston. When the fluid is supplied from the pump into the cylinder, the fluid forces the piston to move towards the upward direction. So the piston start moving from lowermost position to the topmost position of the cylinder. When the piston reaches the topmost position of the cylinder, the fluid fills the complete area of the accumulator. So due to this, a pressurized fluid energy is stored in the accumulator. When a driven unit or a machine unit demands maximum amount of pressure energy to do some useful work at the output from this accumulator, then the piston which is at the topmost position will start moving towards the lowermost position. That is, the piston will start moving from topmost position to downward direction. Okay, due to this, the pressurized fluid start flowing through this outlet port to the driven unit or a machine unit to do some useful work. Okay, the useful work is for hydraulic lifting or for hydraulic cranes, etc. So this is all about the dead weight accumulator. Now we will discuss about this graph of dead weight accumulator. The x-axis is about volume of fluid in the accumulator and y-axis is about fluid pressure in the accumulator. So irrespective of increase or decrease of the fluid in the accumulator or the movement of the piston inside the accumulator, the fluid pressure inside the accumulator is constant throughout the process. Suppose the volume is 3 meter cube in the accumulator, then the fluid pressure will be at 3 bar only. Suppose the volume is 5 meter cube in the accumulator, but the pressure is 3 bar only. So we will come to a conclusion that in the dead weight accumulator, the fluid pressure is constant throughout the process. Okay, hope you understood about this graph and the entire process of dead weight accumulator. Thank you.